Nigerians, on this Independence Day, I and the entire team of Ekidel Engineering Company proudly joins millions of Nigerians around the globe in celebrating our beloved nation.
Hi, this is Olo from London. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. Remember to subscribe to Ekidel. We are not only celebrating the Nigerian, we are also celebrating the value Ekidel is bringing to the society, because they help you they discover your creativity, your inner thinking, and your innovation in engineering in the area of design, structural design, highway design, bridge design, and then that's to do with software modeling and detailing as well. So remember Ekidel, remember Nigeria, subscribing. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, on behalf of Ekidel Engineering Company, where we train and nurture future civil and structural engineers, I, Emanuela, wish you a happy Independence Day. May this day remind us of our strength as a nation and inspire us to continue building a brighter future.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. My name is Oyelere Samson Adekunle. As a proud president of Ekidel Engineering Company, I carry with me the values, skills, and mentorship I gained from Ekidel. Today, I celebrate not only our nation's freedom, but also the impact Ekidel continues to make in shaping future leaders. Cheers to Nigeria, and thank you, Ekidel, for empowering me to shine anywhere in the world. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. I'm from Rwanda. As a proud past student of Ekidel Engineering Company, I carry with me the values, skills, mentorship I gained from Ekidel. Today, I celebrate not only your nation of freedom, but also the impact Ekidel continue to make in shaping future leaders. Cheers to Nigeria, and thank you, Ekidel, for empowering me to shine anywhere in the world. Thank you.
From Ekidel Engineering Company, we say Happy Independence Day. This day reminds us that with knowledge, skills, and innovations, the future of Nigeria lies in the hands of great leaders. So let's build, create, and inspire the future of the nation.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. I am from Zambia. As a proud past student of Ekidel Engineering Company, I carry with me the values, skills, and mentorship I gained from Ekidel. Today, I celebrate not only your nation's freedom, but I also celebrate the impact Ekidel continues to make in shaping future leaders. Cheers to Nigeria, and thank you, Ekidel, for empowering me to shine anywhere in the world. Have a good one.
On this special day, we at Ekidel Engineering Company join all Nigerians in celebrating our nation's independence. Today remind us of the strength, resilience, and unity that defined us as a people. May Nigeria continue to grow in peace, progress, and innovation. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. One love from Ekidel.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. Although I'm from South Africa, the lessons I learned at Ekidel remain close to my heart. Ekidel Engineering Company has shaped me into the professional I am today. I carry the spirit of resilience and innovation wherever I go. I celebrate Nigeria, and I celebrate Ekidel Engineering Company for being part of my journey.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. On behalf of Ekidel Engineering Group, I celebrate our great nation at 65 years of unity, strength, and resilience. As we build together for a brighter future, Ekidel remains committed to engineering excellence that drives progress. Happy Independence Day to us all, Nigeria.
Happy Independence Day to the nation of Nigeria. I'm Engineer Solomon from Sierra Leone. As a proud past student of the Ekidel Engineering Company, I carry with me the skills, the values, and the mentorship gained from Ekidel. Today, I celebrate not only your nation's freedom, but the impact of Ekidel in shaping the future. Once more, I want to congratulate all Nigerians across the world, and also want to thank Ekidel for empowering me to shine anywhere in the world. God bless Nigeria.
Happy 65th Independence Day celebration to Nigeria. We at Ekidel Engineering, known for bettering the lives and future of young civil structural engineers around the world, making them to stand out to be first-class, world-class engineers, we join the host of so many others to wish Nigeria the best as she celebrates another year of independence. We know that Nigeria is totally blessed and filled with diverse diverse talents, diverse resources, and so much more. We wish Nigeria the best. We wish Nigeria to continue prospering, so much prosperity from every one of us here at Ekidel Engineering. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. We love you.
We remain committed to excellence, growth, and contributing to the development of Nigeria through innovation, training, and mentoring the younger engineers. Once again, I'd say Happy Independence Day, Nigeria.